Non-neural cells of retina. Macroglia, astrocytes, oligodendroglia, Schwann cells. Microglia. These cells respond to retinal cell injury. Regulate the ionic and chemical composition of extracellular milieu. Participate in blood-retina barrier. Form the myelination of optic nerve. Guide neuronal migration during development and exchange metabolites with neurons. Neurotransmitters in the retina. Different synaptic neurotransmitters found in the retina. 1. Glutamate, excitatory transmitter, released by rods and cones at their synapse with bipolar. 2. GABA, glycine, dopamine, acetylcholine, indolamine, inhibitory neurotransmitters produced by amacrine cells and horizontal cells. 3. Cholinesterase, found in processes of Muller, horizontal, amacrine, and ganglion cells. In human retina, only true acetylcholinesterase has been found, acetylcholine-dominant synaptic neurotransmitter. 4. Carbonic anhydrase isolated from cones and RPE but not rods. Visual adaptation. It involves dark adaptation, light adaptation, dark adaptation. The ability of the visual system, both rod and cone mechanism, to recover sensitivity following exposure to light. The recovery is faster in cone, but the sensitivity is greatest in rods. The time taken to see in dim illumination is called dark adaptation time. Mechanism of dark adaptation. It is based on the changes in visual pigments. When the person remains in darkness for a long time, the retinaldehyde and opsins in rods and cones are converted back into light-sensitive pigments. Vit-A is reconverted back into retinal to give additional light-sensitive pigments, the final limit being determined by the amount of opsins in rods and cones. Light adaptation. The process by which retina adapts itself to bright light is called light adaptation. Quick and occurs over a period of 5 minutes. Mechanism. When a person remains in bright light, large proportion of photochemicals in both rods and cones is reduced to retinal and opsins. Much of the retinal of both rods and cones is converted into Vit-A. Photopic and scotopic vision. Dim light detection by rods. In scotopic vision, the light-sensitive retina allows detection of objects at low levels of illumination. Its ability to recognize fine detail is poor and color vision is absent. Objects are seen in shades of gray. Scotope. Bright light cone activity predominates. Bright illumination is necessary for the sharp visual acuity and color discrimination of photopic vision. Electroretinogram is the record of action potential produced by retina when stimulated by light of adequate intensity. C. A wave is prolonged positive wave, arises from RPE. Photopic. B. A wave is positive wave, arises from Muller cells. US wave is negative wave, arises from photoreceptors. Types of photoreceptor. There are 3 main types of photoreceptors in the human eyes. Rods. Cones. Intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells.